Hello everyone, I'm Debjan Datta and I welcome you to my channel. I have brought a new video for you all from which you can know the tips to keep your heart healthy. But before going into the video, if you have no knowledge about yoga and naturopathy, then I would suggest you to watch the first two parts of this video whose links I will provide in the description box below. Now let's move into today's video without wasting any time. Today I will share with you that how can you keep your heart healthy by doing yoga and by the help of naturopathy. Now I will first start with the role of naturopathy in curing heart diseases. Naturopathy is a distinct type of primary care medicine that blends age-old healing traditions with scientific advances and current research. It is guided by a unique set of principles that recognize the body's innate healing capacity, emphasize disease prevention, and encourage individual responsibility to obtain optimal health. The green heart is a naturally healthy heart the way nature has created it. Green doesn't depict the color of the heart, rather it depicts the optimum health of heart. Heart ailments are on the rise throughout the world despite the easy choice of yoga and naturopathy is available. Embracing naturopathy in life is like gifting a new heart to your body. There are a few crucial changes required to avoid the risk of heart failure. Naturopathy can guide you how to get a green heart through therapy and changes in lifestyle, which are as summarized. Firstly, quit alcohol, tobacco, or drugs because they damage the fine equilibrium of the body with excessive stress. Smoking increases blood pressure and heart rate. The toxins from tobacco put scars the blood vessels and plaque starts building up there. The risk of heart disease comes down significantly after quitting them. Secondly, live happy and stress-free lifestyle because stress and hypertension would only speed up damage to the blood vessels. Stress and hypertension and overeating due to habit or boredom increase the risk of stroke and heart attack. Third, eat healthy and natural food. Because your body has the ability to heal itself and with a balanced diet, you can minimize the risk of heart disease and other associated diseases. Too much salt, sugar and fat in the diet results in blockade of arteries supplying blood to the heart. Fourth point is lose excessive weight and get fat because it leads to high blood pressure, high cholesterol and heart disease. The heart gets overload of work due to increased heart rate and blood pressure in the overweight people. Reducing weight relaxes heart and allows it to return back to normalcy. Last but not the least, do checkup and eat medications regularly because regular checkup and follow-ups are necessary to keep a tab on heart health and also to track the improvement in the condition. Screening for blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol are recommended at least once every year if you are older than 40. Now I will explain you the role of yoga in curing heart diseases. Hatha Yoga is a generic term for the practice of the physical yoga postures, breathing techniques and meditation intended to improve health by balancing strength, breath and flexibility. Yoga may provide overall and specific benefits that lower cardiac risk factors for cardiovascular disease and metabolic syndrome. The treatment and survival of heart disease patients have been improving due to advancements in the medical specialty of cardiology, according to a recent report from the American Heart Association. This positive outcome has led to significant increases in the number of patients who survive and live with heart failure. Regarding heart failure and exercises, patients are encouraged to engage in exercise within the limits of their exercise, which is recent change in management. The large and increasing incidence of heart failure leads to the investigation of yoga as an adjunct therapy. Yoga as a treatment modality for the heart failure patient may lead to a decrease in symptoms and improved quality of life because of gains in muscle strength, improved endurance, flexibility and decreased anxiety. Yoga appears to be specially beneficial for primary and secondary prevention of coronary vascular diseases. Several studies suggest that yoga may significantly improve risk factors for cardiovascular diseases like body weight, lipid profile, blood pressure, smoking, psychological stress, and type 2 diabetes, that is diabetes mellitus. In a recently published scientific statement or alternative methods to lower blood pressure and reduce cardiovascular disease risk, the American Heart Association reported that transcendental meditation techniques may be considered in clinical practices to lower blood pressure. The American Health Association also reported research that transcendental meditation may reduce heart attacks, stroke, and deaths in CVD patients. A recent randomized controlled trial of transcendental meditation and health education in blacks, it has been reported that there was a 48% risk reduction in primary endpoint, which was composite of all cause mortality, myocardial infarction, and stroke over a period of 5.4 years. Two randomized trials have also shown that early atherosclerosis assessed by carotid intimal medial is significantly reduced by regular practice of yoga or meditation. Three controlled studies utilizing coronary angiography in advanced CHD have demonstrated that yoga or meditation with use of low-fat vegetarian diet caused retardation of progression and even regression of coronary obstructions as compared to usual care control group. Coronary heart disease is the commonest cause of the cardiovascular disability and death. This pathological state includes atherosclerotic coronary heart disease and ischemic heart disease. Yoga insists that prevention is better than cure. Yoga is the wonderful solution to all circulatory problems. It works by keeping the two gates of the body, the circulatory system and the respiratory system, clean. Like asanas, Utkatasana, Bhujangasana, Makarasana, Padmasana, Savasana, Pavan Mukta Asana. Pranayama, sectional breathing, clavicle, abdominal, thoracic breathing. Nadi Sodhana, Ujjayi Pranayama. Meditation, silent meditation for 20 to 30 minutes. Diet, avoid foods containing fat and cholesterol. Eat more vegetables and fruits. Take light vegetarian meals. By following these asanas, pranayama, meditation and diet, you can keep your heart healthy, fit and fine. Only you can take care of your heart. Green heart or health is not a myth. With appropriate lifestyle and environment, your heart can actually survive without any glitches. Naturopathy and yoga would head you to a long, peaceful and energetic existence. Observe and understand nature. Embrace nature and naturopathy and feel a green heart inside you. So keep on practicing yoga daily. So this was my today's video. If you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, share it and press the subscribe button to stay tuned with me. If you have any questions, then you can directly contact me on Instagram. Links of all my social media accounts are given in the description box below. We'll again meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.